Good morning, my dear students. This is Gacy Estate. We are going to discuss about easy way to find volume using Charles' law. A sample of gas at 15 degrees Celsius at 1 atm has a volume of 2.58 decimeter cube. We know in Charles' law, pressure and number of moles are constant. Only volume is directly proportional to temperature in Charles' law. When the temperature is raised to 38 degrees Celsius at 1 atm, does the volume of the gas increase? If so, calculate the final volume. Now, I am writing the given values of this problem. What are the values are given? One is temperature is given as temperature T1, that is equal to 15 degrees Celsius. 15 degrees Celsius plus 273, add 273 to convert into Kelvin scale. 15 plus 273 will give 3 plus 5 equal to 8, 7 plus 1 equal to 8, then 288 Kelvin. This is T1. In T1, what is the volume is given? 2.58. So, V1 is equal to 2.58 decimeter cube is the unit of volume. And T2 is given in our problem, that is equal to 38 degrees Celsius plus 273 equal to 8 plus 3 equal to 11, remaining 1. Then here 8 plus 3 equal to 11, remaining 1, 311 Kelvin is the T2. We have to calculate volume. Now, we know the formula used in Charles' law. V1 by T1 equal to V2 by T2. V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. We have to calculate V2. Therefore, bring the T2 term to the left hand side. So, V2 is equal to V1 by T1 into T2. Substitute all the values, then we have to solve that one. What is V1 value? V1 value equal to 2.58 into T2 is 311 by what is our T1 value? 288. 2 temperature, 1 volume. Convert this 2.58 into the whole number. That means 258 into 10 power minus 2 into 311 divided by 288. Now, I am going to solve this. For that, we require one table, that is, I think, 12th table we require. Shall I write up to 9? 1, 12 is 12. 2 12s are 24. 3 12s, if you don't know, 3 into 10 equal to 30, 3 into 2 equal to 6, so 36. 4 into 12 equal to 4 into 10s are 40, 4 into 2s are 8, so 48. And 5 into 12s are 50 plus 10 equal to 60. 6 into 12s are 60 plus 12 equal to 72. 7 into 12, 70 plus 14 equal to 84. 8 into 12s, 80 plus 16 equal to 96. 9 into 12 is equal to 90 plus 18 equal to 108. Maybe correct. 9 into 2 getting remaining one. 9 plus 1 equal to 10. I think this is enough for our calculation. Now we are going to cancel this quantity. Now I write this whole. Finally we will use this 10 power minus 2, that is equal to 258 into 311 by 288. First I use the second table. Cancel this. 1, 4, 4. 1, 2 is 2, 4, 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. Here also use first second table. 1, 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, remaining 1, 9 2s are 18. Then 12th table I am going to use. 12 into 12s are 144. Here also second day 12th table. In 12 we have 112 is 12. 9 0 point, convert it is into 90. 90 means how many? 90 means how many? 18. 7 12s are 84. Remaining 6 60. So 5 12s are 60. 10.75. Now come here. 112 is 12. 12th table. Now cancel this one. 311. 31. How many 12s in 31? 2 12s are 24. So in 31, 2 12s are 21. 24. Remaining 71. 71 means 5 12s are 60. Remaining 11. 11 means 110. In 110, 9. 110. 9 12s are 108. So remaining 2 and goes on. That's all. Denominator quantity we have cancelled, numerator cancelled. Now we are going to multiply these two quantity by symbol method. 110.75, 25.9. Now how to multiply? You know how to multiply. 1075 259. Finally, I will write the answer. Divide all these into box form. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide all these. Now we are going to multiply all these. The line full same one. Okay. Now 2 into 1 equal to 2. 2 into 0 equal to 0. 2 into 7s are 14. 2 into 5s are 10. 5 into 1 equal to 5. 5 into 0, 0. 5 into 7s are 35. 5 into 5s are 25. 9 into 1 equal to 9. 9 into 0 equal to 0. 9 into 7s are 63. 9 into 5s are 45. Now we have to complete each row to write the answer. In the first row, 5 only we have. Second row, 9 plus 3 equal to 12. Remaining 1. 3 plus 5 equal to 8. 8 plus 6 equal to 14. Remaining 1. 10. 17. 18. Remaining 1. 6 plus 1 equal to 7. Here you have 2. So 2, 7, 8, 4, 2, 5. How many digit we have? Here you have 10.75. 2 digit, here 1 digit. So 3 digit. 278.425. We have one more 10 power minus 2 is here. Our answer is, that is equal to 278.425. Already here we have 110 power minus 2. Now this point moves toward 2 digit left hand side 2.78 is enough. No need to write 4 to 5. This is your volume. Unit of volume is decimeter cube. One more and question is asked. Does the volume of the gas increases? Yes. V2 is 2.1. The result is volume of the gas increases from our initial volume is 2.58. Volume of the gas increases from 2.58 decimeter cube to 2.78 decimeter cube. Simple calculation. You are also going to solve it. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes, so please sarapakara. Yes. Okay, thank you.